Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome and welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Mathpix is a snipping tool that scans equation from anywhere, from the books, from the internet, and then it's gonna convert them to a text for you to paste them in your document. Mathpix is a paid tool. It gives you like a number of attempts, free attempts, but when you do all that attempts, you need to pay or you need to wait for the next month. Okay, so go here, write Mathpix, and go to their website. Okay, Mathpixsnippingtool for Windows, and it is like downloading here. So here I'm gonna log in again, and here the downloading is done. Click it once and click next, and wait for it. It's gonna not take a lot of time. It's done. Well, we're gonna log in. I'm gonna write my email and I'm gonna type the password and I'm gonna log in. Okay, I scanned a lot of stuff in the last year. You see here, that's crazy. So you're gonna just go here, and this is the scan, like the scan button. I'm gonna just look for an equation in the internet. This one. Okay, this one is a little bit big, a little bit complicated, and we need to like scan this one. We have our Microsoft Word open. Let's just delete this stuff, and we have our equation here. We have the scan, and we have the snips remaining for this month are 10. We have 10 every month, right? So just scan this and always check if it is the same as the one here. Sometimes it just doesn't see the right equation. So we have here this copy to Microsoft Word. We have export, and you're gonna export it in a docx. Anyway, we're gonna copy for MS Word, and you're gonna here paste by Control V or by pasting. So here is the equation in a text format. But we have some stuff like it's not going right. For example, here this bracket is not nice. Let's just do it again for the whole equation and try. I told you that it doesn't always get things right. This one seems to be right, and the bracket seems to be written in a good way. So let's just paste. So this one is right. We solved the problem. Let's try for long equations that are not like clear. You can see that one is not very clear. So just go to snip here, and we're gonna snip or scan or whatever. I think it got it right. So let's just copy to Microsoft Word, Control V, and it looks so beautiful. Can we try for something more complicated? Let's try for this one. Gonna go from here till the end and release. Copy to Microsoft Word, and we're gonna just paste it here. So it should just, we did copy to MS Word, and when we paste, it doesn't give us the whole thing. So let's try and make it in document. So when we make it in a Microsoft Word document, it gives us the whole thing here in downloads, and we're gonna open with Microsoft Word. So here is our equation. We can copy this stuff here, and you can see that it's not one equation. We have a lot of equations in one equation, right? So this here in green is the confidence, which means how much Mathpix is confident about the function it scanned. Here it's saying that I'm confident that it is the same function or the same equation in the picture. If we go here, we have some red buttons here. If we click here, Mathpix has no confidence. It is saying I'm not sure if function I wrote here is the same function as you gave me. If we look for some other, for example, for this one here, Mathpix is not very confident, but is in the middle here. It's not sure, but it thinks that it's right. It thinks that there is some errors, some mistakes that you need to correct. So the confidence is not very green, but it's not red. We can go for this. Here also Mathpix has no confidence at all, and it's saying I'm not sure if it is the same picture you gave me or if I got it wrong. So this is the confidence when you scan your stuff. For example, this Mathpix is quite confident that it did it right. Another one, this one also, Mathpix is very confident. It says that I'm very confident that I got it right, and that this is the same function or equation you gave me. So you can know if Mathpix did everything right through this confidence here. You may ask if I can't pay, and you know there is just a limited number of snips, and maybe you are a math student and you need to write hundreds of times this equation. So please watch my video about Microsoft Word equations that allows you to write equations like this by writing Alt plus like this. We have this T. You see, we can write it using our Microsoft Word. You know, Microsoft Word is so powerful. So it's easy. If you can't pay, just use you're gonna insert an equation, and you can write here, there is a lot of stuff: fraction, radicals, integrals, the Greek letters, the letter-like symbols, the basic math, matrix, the limits, the accents, the function, the log, the brackets, and a lot of stuff. So if you can't pay, don't worry. It's easy to do that without paying using the Microsoft Word equations, or you can just feel enough with the free attempt that Mathpix Snipping tool gives you. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and stay safe.